before Tokyo. Let's go to the train station. Are you excited, Hannah? Hannah Rose.
Oh, Tokyo.
Si Tata yung interview.
Shinkansen.
Yeah. Okay. Train station. Bait ni Lolo.
Right.
Grabe. Ganito pala kami. Wow, si David is enjoying. Wow, ito pala yung train nila sa Japan. Kaya lang hindi ko makuhaan yung dun kasi makikita ng passenger that I'm taking a video. It's first time on a train. What's his reaction? He doesn't have reaction, beautiful friends. The most important thing is for him to have a milk. Okay? Oops. Be careful.
This is the rapid train, Shimotsura train, bound for Hachinohe.
Hi, Hadass and Hannah. The train. Girls. Hi. You like it? Hi. Let's go to Tokyo. Let's what, ma'am? Let's go to Tokyo. Hi, what are you? A star? A blue star? And a pilot. A pilot. Let's go to Tokyo. Do you want to go to Tokyo? Hi. Adas is busy. I told them to wear dress but they want like that. So tomorrow they will be wearing dress. I'm not using these shoes to walk. Diba? It's not tiring. Hi Anna. Enjoy Japan. Hadassah. Hadassah, do you like it here? You like the food? Yeah. What is it? Wow. Cute naman ang ano nila. Train station. Ang social. Excited for Tokyo. Are you excited for Tokyo? Yeah. Tokyo looks like this. It's like that. Right?
Yes.
Ayan sila, be. Hi, Hannah. Tokyo? Hannah Rose. Hi. Are you excited for Tokyo? Yan ang heater, be. Ang sarap dyan, oo. Ang ganda niyan, be, oh. This is the place.
Let's go to Tokyo. I'm excited. It's so hot.
Cute ng Japan.
It's so hot.
It's warm here. It's really good, right?
Yeah, look at that here.
So, it's cool. Ang sarap, be. Super. They're warming up people here when you're cold. Grabe, so good. Grabe, ang high-tech. It's high-tech. Actually, ako ito, be. Nakpidadasa and Hannah. Mga flower na yan, oh. Okay, they will choose. Yung snacks. Merong ano dun be, onigiri. Same. Kaya lang kailangan ko nung makakapagpababa ng sugar. At yun ang vegetables, fish at meat. Fish. Gusto ng fish at saka vegetables. Minsan lang ang sweets, no? Hi! What did you get? What he get? I'll share this with Hadassah and Hanabe. Sandwich. They have sandwich. Check, what is it? Okay. It's time for snack. This is their sandwich bit. It's so cute, right? There's ham, there's egg. It's combi. Yummy. David will like it. Yum. He said yum. It's yummy. It's egg. Yummy. We're outside. You like it? Huh? Smile. Smile. Hindi, nagko-concentrate kumain, be. He likes to eat. We're outside. You're happy? Yay! David is outside. David, don't throw it. You have to eat. Come on. You like it? He likes the sandwich. Ah, open your mouth. Ah, good boy. We're still waiting, be. For the train. That's why nandito pa tayo. Ngayon yun sa babaan nila. I'll try this there while waiting. There's a trash can here, babe. There's a trash can in a train station in Japan. There is baon. Special naman dito, be. May lock yung kanilang train station, no? This is for the bullet train. Let's take a video later. David is still, you know, being chill. Chill. Relax lang si David. Wow. Baby will see the bullet train. Ay, the other side. Oh my gosh. Wala yung bullet train. Akala ko nandito sa left side, sa right side pumunta. Oh my goodness, bullet train ah. You're so funny. Hannah! This is the bullet train. It's on the other side. Let's wait for another one. These are the people. What? What did you say?
Bullet train.
She said bullet train. It's a fast train. So now we're here in Hachinohe, and it's going to be 3 hours going to Tokyo. Are you excited? Feels like airplane. Are you excited to ride for the first time the bullet train? She will try the bullet train. We will take a video of it later, horizontal. Ano ba yan? Nakakaloka. Akala ko nandun yung train. Ito palang side. Kala ko pupunta dito eh. Dun pala. Okay, yan yung train. The bullet train. With the baby's first time. Baby's first time of bullet train, be. Okay, let's go. Pikachu. Show Pikachu. Yay! Nagsisimula na siya magingay. Umiiyak kanina, tumayo ako. So this is the outside. Lily is looking at it. It's starting to be a little bit louder. Yeah, it's a place. He's standing up and maingay na siya, babe. My goodness. Sana hindi umiyak. I hope he will not cry. Hi, beautiful fans. We love you. Kiss you. We love you. So excited. Yay, 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 yay. You like it? Oh, he's having fun. Ang ganda pala ng Tokyo. Oh, wow. David is in Tokyo. Social. Fancy, fancy. Wow. Bingat na po. Fancy. He's tired.
中央線は地震事故のため現在運転を見合わせております際はお足元にお気をつけください。特に小さなお子様を連れのお客様がお子様の手を
12分発の山彦213号正解駅は本日隣のホームかゆみ車庫小町港どちらも電車指定席の列車です。自由席特急券やお席の予約がない場合はご利用できません。また、ホームや車内でサラソーカルテの切符の変更やお席の予約、指定席と
Adasa! David! First time ni David sa Tokyo. Daming tao. Wow, cute naman ito.
22番線に到着の電車は折り返し16時24分
Sandwich!
511号鶴
終点の東京駅です。 荷物、手回りなど車内にお忘れ
Hi!
本日お忘れ物のご忘れやお買い忘れは
He's enjoying. Busy be, oh. People. Ang daming tao. David! Fun? Yay! Ang fun. Parang South Korea siya, be, no? Cute. Aesthetic. Microwave. Oh, if you wanna eat food. Kasi meron dun sa front. Bento boxes ng food. Ito yung entrance. Where's David? Okay, here's David. Yes. Remembrance. Adas and Anas in Tokyo. I love that one. They have books there. She wants a drink. Ay, saan ba yun? I told her water kasi it's healthier. Bawal siya ng kape. Okay? 24 hours coffee is free. And bread tomorrow morning. You can choose. I think they have chocolate, Hana. So, ano nga ba yung kanya? Wait, pili muna tayo, ha? Wait lang. It's first time in a hotel. Japanese hotel. Ha, David? Here's your milk?
Took you longer.
Yay! David is enjoying. Yay! Drink your milk. He's happy. Wow, you're a big boy now. You can feed yourself. He's enjoying. He's happy. Chabe. Okay, let's look. Tiny David. Water. Do they have free? They have free coffee here and bread. In the morning. Ang galing, no? It's just here. Kasi mayroon silang minimalist sila, be. So, the space. This is my bag. Save for the money. Microwave yata yan. Mirror to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm low bat earlier. That's why it's like this. And that's the area. Bathroom here. You can put your clothes here. Medyo maliit talaga dito, be. Kasi nga, ang space, di ba? Hi, Hannah. Are you here? Bathroom. Hi! David is enjoying. It's his first time in a hotel. Okay. There's TV. I like it. Before, there's something like this, but walang yata nito. Parang yan lang. So this one is okay kasi this one has TV. Okay. Enjoy muna si David. Maliit ang areas nila dito, be. Ang mga hotel nila ganito talaga. Sa atin medyo mas malawak, no? Tagalog. Basta ganyan, Tagalog. Okay, take a video. I was low bat earlier. That's why the entrance we weren't able to take a video, but we'll take a video later. Alright, let's rest first. We love you. Enjoy Tokyo.
This place already looks like home. That looks good.
This is the light. Ibabalik ko yung nails ko. Nag-pop out. Parang binubuksan to, be. Okay, this is a door. So, it's still great because they have space there, right? And that's space for David. David, what can you say about your experience? We were low bat earlier, so I wasn't able to take a video of the city, the skyscrapers, the buildings. It's so beautiful. Hannah said looks like Paris and like, what did you say?
Looks like Paris mixed with New York.
She said Paris mixed with New York. So when you go to the Tokyo train station, Hannah was the one that turned it off. Tokyo train station, you will see a good view. This is 12 minutes from Tokyo train station. Okay, this is the... I like it that there's space. At saka I like it that they have that. Okay, 3 towels. And they have free coffee and bread. Akala ko walang breakfast eh. Ayan. Take care of David. We'll love you. Have a great day. Every day we'll love you.
Into Tokyo. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Your couch, babe. It's a mini. Cute. I love the color. Cute. MG, David. David, don't break it. You're funny. They have clock charging area. Bed. Saan kami matutulog ni David dito? Bed dito, so that he will not fall down. Usually, I would lay down beside him in a safe place so that he won't fall down. Okay? Time to tickle David. Attack! David! Yay! Wait. Oh, yay! David, come here! Huh. Hey, baby's first time in the hotel elevator.
Elevator. So it's first time in a hotel.
A video here. David, kids. That's the entrance. What's the name? The front area. And this is the place. Oh, para siyang Makati, be, oh. Diba? Ayan sila, be. They're walking. David and I. Meron dun, restaurant, is bakery, family mart. And... Ay, ang ganda, be. Alam niyo, maganda pala ang Japan, lalo sa Tokyo Station. Parang siyang combination of Paris and New York. It's clean. It's just that you have to study the language. But even if you don't, you can ask for sa taxis. Basic, nakakaintindi naman yung ibang security guards nila. Malinis siya. So when you live here in Tokyo, you just have to get an affordable house. But meron din silang mga probinsya, so it's affordable in the provinces. Tsaka pag magbabakasyon ka dito, Family Mart, 7-Eleven, Mini Mart, they have food there na affordable. And if you are visiting here, you just have to find the rental that's affordable. And then the eating area, affordable also. Research. And then some tourists eat in Family Mart, Mini Mart, 7-Eleven, because they have, you know, quick food that's affordable. And then grocery stores also. But this place, malapit siya sa Imperial Palace, sa train station. So medyo malayo to. There's no grocery store dito, be. Okay, take care everyone. We love you. Let's tour in some places here in Tokyo. Hala, ang high-tech niya. Ayan, oh. Ay, ang cute. Meron niya sa atin, no? David. Ay, ang cute, oh. Parang sa atin, be. Yung mga stores natin. Saan si David? Curls. Ay, ang ganda, no? Aesthetic. Look how cute is this, be. Diba? Namiss ko na talaga ang South Korea. Alam nyo ba, when I was in South Korea, I was walking, going to the market. Parang ganito. Hindi dito. Hindi. Oo, it's fun. It's another level of experience. You just have to be careful anywhere you are in the world. There are lahat, diba? Alam nyo na. You have to be careful. Okay? Take care. We love you. Look at this. Looks like the alley where, diba, yung nagre-rent ako dati. Yung street niya, halos pareha sa South Korea. Ano yan, be? Oh, shrine. Ganda, be. Oh. Ano kaya yan? Okay? Ito yung mukhang sa sticker ko. Yung parang, okay, this is Japan. Diba? Para akong na ignorante. David, oh. Okay lang yan. Alam mo ba yung get up ko? Kung ano yung get up ko, yun din. In any country. Yung parang kahit ano lang yung trip mo. Diba? Don't be shy. It's your life. Ay. Tsaka yung ibang tao naman, hayaan ka lang nila eh. 'Di ba? They're like, it's your life. Yeah. Cute. Aesthetic. Microwave. Oh, if you wanna eat food. Kasi meron dun sa front. Bento boxes ng food. Ito yung entrance. Where's David? Okay, here's David. Yes. Remembrance. Adas Ananas in Tokyo. I love that one. They have books there. She wants to drink. Ay, saan ba yun? I told her water kasi it's healthier. Bawal siya ng kape. Okay? 24 hours coffee is free. And bread tomorrow morning. You can choose. I think they have chocolate, Hana. Oh. So, ano nga ba yung kanya? Wait, pili muna tayo ha. Wait lang. Yum! What did Hannah choose? Hannah, what did you choose? Can I see? Wow, yeah. Healthy. Alam mo, dapat magsasalad ako tsaka chicken, kaya lang ayoko. Alam mo yung sugar mo, kailangan mo alagaan. Wow, ang daming option. Isang hang jacket lang ang dalabe. I just brought this. This is a blazer. I'm glad it's not super cold here. Oh, David, oh. I asked for this. Restaurants, tsaka Tokyo map. Thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. Last one. Pag libre talaga, ang bilis eh, no? Cafe mocha. Oh my god.
It's coming out.
You can mix the chocolate on this. They have fake cheese. Healthy tea. Gusto ko to i-try. We have a map here, babe, and let's drink coffee. Let's look at the map. Okay. I like this one kasi it has map. This one is sa kainan kasi nawala na. Yung mabilis na lang na pagkain. That's it.
This is what all
Hey,
rooms are
David.
like. Get used to it. So what's the VIP room?
Let's try.
Tay. Came with an extra fork.
And, okay.
I don't want to be sitting
Yummy.
next to me. Let's try.
If it's yum. David, ang ganda nitong gamitin, be.
You crack the egg on the side of the bowl, letting it slide in, then mix in the flour, all in extra.
David! David!
Stays for us.
The front area. And this is the place.